To enable and use AI telescope in Realme 16 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to launch the camera app on our device. Next step is to enter a photo mode right here, and then you need to make sure that you have zoom set to 30. That way you'll be able to find the AI telescope icon. You can click on it to turn it on and off. And when it's on, it's orange. When it's off, it's just crossed out. Now I've made 4 photos, once with AI telescope and one without, on this 30 times zoom. So as you can see right here, this one is made with AI telescope. What it does, it tries to sharpen out what it can to make, for example, letters or text on the photo more readable. And this photo is taken without the AI telescope. It appears to be more blurry. Now there's also 2 other photos which didn't catch any change basically. So this is a signpost on the pole that I have outside my house. So it basically didn't do too much. And the other photo, as you can see, there's basically no difference. Or actually maybe you can notice a difference of a string that is going out right here. This one appears to be more sharp than the one right here. So it just tries to make the photos sharper. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.